I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a tuna omelet. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, a 5-ounce can of tuna, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of olive oil, plus salt, pepper, and your preferred herbs for seasoning. Having a non-stick pan, whisk, and spatula on hand will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare our delicious tuna filling. Start by thoroughly draining your 5-ounce can of tuna to ensure your omelet isn't watery. Then, in a small bowl, gently flake the tuna and mix it with 1 tablespoon of milk. This adds a lovely creaminess. Finally, season the tuna mixture with a pinch of salt, pepper, and your chosen herbs for a burst of flavor. Now let's get the omelet base cooking. In a separate bowl, whisk your 2 large eggs with 1 tablespoon of milk, a dash of salt, and pepper until they are light and frothy. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the pan is warm, pour in the egg mixture, gently swirling it to create an even layer across the bottom. Finally, it's time to assemble and serve your perfect tuna omelet. Once the eggs are mostly set but still slightly moist on top, spoon the prepared tuna mixture onto 1/2 of the omelet. Carefully, using your spatula, fold the other half of the omelet over the tuna filling. Cook for about 30 seconds more, then gently slide it onto a plate. Serve immediately and savor your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.